Welcome and greetings. In the unit of probability distribution, we learn binomial probability distribution and Poisson probability distribution, which are said to be discrete probability distributions. Now this is the third distribution of this unit, which is normal distribution, which is called as a continuous probability distribution. Now see some preliminaries of normal distribution. Let Z be the normal variable. Let Z be normal variable or normal variate. Then for any x, we calculate Z, which is equal to x minus m upon sigma, where this m is a mean of normal distribution and the sigma, this is a standard deviation. Now this normal curve is usually like this bell shaped, which is symmetric about the line Z is equal to 0. This normal curve is symmetric about the line Z is equal to 0. Now the total probability under this curve or total area is equal to 1. That means in case of normal distribution, we have to remember these things. या नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मध्ये या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या. प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ मायनस इन्फिनिटी लेस दॅन झेड लेस दॅन इन्फिनिटी विच इज इक्वल टू 1. दॅट मीन्स दिस प्रोबॅबिलिटी विच इज नथिंग बट total area under this curve, which is equal to 1. Since this curve is, this is a normal curve, since this curve is symmetric about line Z is equal to 0, therefore also remember this probability of minus infinity is less than Z less than 0, which is equal to 0.5, or this probability of 0 less than Z less than minus infinity is equal to 0.5. So this line divides this curve into two equal parts. Since this is a symmetric line, ही symmetric line असल्यामुळे या कर्व चे समान दोन भाग करते. Similarly, if you consider these two lines, Z is equal to minus a and suppose this is Z is equal to a. Z is equal to minus a हे 0 च्या लेफ्ट ला असेल, Z is equal to a राईट ला असेल. Therefore also note this, या कर्व मध्ये probability of minus a less than Z less than 0, which is equal to probability of Z, probability of 0 less than Z less than a. Probability or area from minus a to 0, minus a to 0 is the same thing as 0 to a, because this curve is symmetric about this line Z is equal to 0. या Z is equal to 0 ला हे symmetric असल्यामुळे minus a to 0, this area or this probability under this curve, this is same thing as from Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to a. So remember this, minus a is less than Z less than 0, which is same thing as 0 less than Z less than a. So with the help of this value of Z and these notes properties of this normal distribution, we illustrate, we solve the examples on normal distribution. Now pay your attention, see this example of normal distribution. In a sample of 1000 cases, the mean of certain test is 14. This is value of m mean, and standard deviation is 2.5. Assuming the distribution to be normal, find how many students score above 18 and how many students score between 12 and 15. So here we solve this example by normal distribution. Here capital N, this is a total number of trials or total number of population, total population, that is N is here 1000. Also mean is given, mean of the certain test, that means m is equal to 14, and standard deviation we denote it by sigma, which is 2.5. Now this is normal variate z is equal to x minus m upon sigma. This is formula to find value of z, which is equal to x minus m is here 14 and sigma upon sigma is here 2.5. Now what is asked, how many students score above 18 and how many students score between 12 and 15. So let x be score, let capital X be score, that means these are marks. X be score means marks. Now we answer to the, we find solution of first bit, how many students score above 18. Let x is equal to, therefore take x is equal to 18. Now for this x equal to 18 we find value of z. म्हणजे x 18 साठी काय करायचं, z ची किंमत काढायची. So z is equal to, put x is equal to 18 in this formula. So we get z is equal to 18 minus 14 upon 2.5. Therefore z is equal to, किती आली z ची व्हॅल्यू, this is 1.6. Now we draw this line 1.6 in on normal curve. म्हणजे हे असं नॉर्मल कर्व काय करायचा, ट्रेस करायचा. Trace this normal curve. This is center line. This is line z is equal to 0, minus infinity to plus infinity. Now z is equal to 1.6. Z is equal to 1.6. This is lying right hand side of z is equal to 0. म्हणजे z is equal to 1.6 j या बाजूला निगेटिव्ह आहे, मायनस इन्फिनिटी, राईट साईडला प्लस इन्फिनिटी. तर z is equal to 0 असेल तर z is equal to 1.6 ही या बाजूला असेल. z is equal to 1.6. So it is very simple. First write formula for z, which is x minus m upon sigma. X minus 14, m value is given. m म्हणजे मीन आहे, मीनची व्हॅल्यू दिली असेल तर 14 ठेवा, डिवाइडेड बाय सिग्मा म्हणजे 2.5. Call x as a score. Therefore to answer this, how many students score above 18, take x is equal to 8. For this value of x equal to 18, find z, put here in this formula. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये ठेवा, z is equal to 1.6 मिळेल आणि draw this line z is equal to 1.6. Now next to that, find probability of score above 18. Probability of score above 18, that means probability of x greater than 18. X greater than 18, that means for x, this is value of z, we calculated 1.6, that is probability of z greater than 1.6. Now we determine the region for which z is greater than 1.6. z greater than 1.6 साठी या कर्व मध्ये एरिया पाहायचा. z is greater than 1.6, that means z is lying, यापेक्षा z कसा आहे 1.6 पेक्षा ग्रेटर, that means it is lying right hand side. In this region z is lying, z is greater than 1.6, means this shaded region, this shows that z is greater than 1.6. आता याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काढायची म्हणजेच हा शेडेड रिजनचा काय करायचा, एरिया फाइंड करायचा. आता संपूर्ण एरिया आहे -∞ टू इन्फिनिटी, दिस इज 1. हा टोटल एरिया 1 असतो इन केस ऑफ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. 0 टू -∞ 0.5 असेल, 0 टू +∞ 0.5 असेल. म्हणजे 0 टू इन्फिनिटी हा 0.5 आहे. हा शेडेड रिजन काढण्यासाठी काय करायचं, या 0.5 मधून सबट्रॅक्ट दिस नॉन शेडेड एरिया फ्रॉम दिस 0 to 5, सबट्रॅक्ट एरिया फ्रॉम 0 to z इज इक्वल टू 0 टू z इज इक्वल टू 1.6. हा एरिया काय करायचा, या संपूर्ण 0.5 मधून सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं. सो विच इज इक्वल टू एरिया, वी कॅन राइट दिस एज 0.5 माइनस से प्रोबेबिलिटी और एरिया 0 is less than z less than 1.6, which is equal to 0 less than z less than 1.6. This gives area between 0 to 1.6. हा जो नॉन शेडेड एरिया असेल तो देईल. सो 0.5 मायनस, आता याची किंमत म्हणजे काय, 0 to 1.6 म्हणजेच p ऑफ 1.6 किंवा a of 1.6, and this a of 1.6, this value is given, ही किंमत दिलेली असते, which is equal to 0.5 minus 0.445, this is a of 1.6, this is given, put here. Now make subtraction, याची वजाबाकी करा, किती येते ते, what is the answer, 0.0548. So we get the probability for score above 18. So we have to find how many students. So therefore number of students having score above 18 is equal to n into probability of x greater than 18. n means total population, which is 1000. So 1000 into probability of x greater than 18, that means this value 0.0548, which is equal to 54.8, which is approximately equal to 55 students. So this is answer to this first bit, that means how many students score above 18, 55 students score above 18. So in this way you have to find the solution. Now we find solution of second bit. Number of students score between 12 and 15. So we call this 12 as x1 and 15 as x2. आता इथे दोन स्कोर व्हॅल्यूज आहेत 12 आणि 15. त्यापैकी एकाला x1 म्हणा, call x1 as 12 and x2 as 15. So we find value of z1, z is equal to x minus m upon sigma. Similarly याला z2 म्हणा, which is equal to x minus m upon sigma. So x is here 12 minus m is given, which is 14 अपॉन सिग्मा इज 2.5. फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Z1. हे Z1 ची किंमत शोधा आणि Z2 x किती आहे 15 साठी m is same upon 2.5. So this will be Z2. What is Z1? What is Z1? Z1 is a 0 minus 0.8 and this is 0.4. So this is a normal variable corresponding to score. या दिलेल्या स्कोर साठी नॉर्मल व्हॅल्यू काढायची, नॉर्मल व्हेरिएबल काढायचं. x1 12 असताना Z1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली -0.8. x2 15 असताना Z2 किती आला 0.4. आता काय करायचं, या दोन्ही किमती काय करायच्या नॉर्मल कर्व मध्ये प्लॉट करायचे. दिस इज नॉर्मल कर्व. This is a line z is equal to 0. Here it is minus infinity. Here it is plus infinity. Now first of all draw z1 is equal to minus 0.8. Where this line minus 0.8 आहे म्हणजे या 0 च्या लेफ्ट साइडला असेल. This line will be represent say z1 is equal to minus 0.8. त्याच्यानंतर 0.4 हे 0.4 कुठे असेल राइट साइडला असेल. दिस इज इक्वल टू Z2 विच इज इक्वल टू 0.4. आता हे दोन लाइन्स काढल्यानंतर काय करायचं रिजन डिटरमाइन करायचं. तो रिजन कसा डिटरमाइन करायचा पहा. देअरफॉर प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ स्कोर इन बिटवीन 12 and 15. Score is in between 12 and 15 म्हणजे x हा स्कोर आहे तो 12 आणि 15 च्या मध्ये. नाउ व्हेन x is in between 12 and 15 z is in between minus 0.8 is less than z is less than 0.4. Score for x1 this is z1, for x2 0.4 Z2. मग जर x 12 आणि 15 च्या इन बिटवीन असेल इन दॅट केस z इज इन बिटवीन minus 0.8 and 0.4. सो स्कोर इज इन बिटवीन 12 and 15 म्हणजे विल गेट दिस इज अ शेडेड रिजन इज द रिक्वायर्ड. याचा एरिया फाइंड करायचा. The shaded region shows that हा shaded region काय दाखवतो x1 12 असताना z1 minus 0.8 आहे, x2 15 असताना z2 0.4 आहे आणि स्कोर या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये म्हणजे काय दिस शोज दॅट स्कोर इज इन बिटवीन 12 and 15. याचा एरिया काढायचा. ठीक आहे, याचा एरिया कसं काढणार तर टेक सम ऑफ टू पार्ट्स 0 to minus 0.8 आणि 0 to 0.4. हे मायनस 0.8 टू 0.4 हे कसं लिहिता येईल आपल्याला मायनस 0.8 टू 0 आणि 0 टू 0.4. सो वी स्प्लिट दिस ॲज probability of minus 0.8 less than z less than 0 plus probability of 0 less than z less than 0.4 which is equal to probability of minus 0.8 to 0. हे minus 0.8 to 0 म्हणजे 0 to plus 0.8 दोन्ही probability सारखे असतील बिकॉज हे पहा याची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल 0 इज लेस दॅन z इज लेस दॅन 0.8 प्लस 0 इज लेस दॅन z इज लेस दॅन 0.4. minus 0.8 to 0 is same thing as 0 to 0.8 because curve is symmetric about this line. या लाईनला कर्व सिमेट्रिक असल्यामुळं 0 to minus 0.8 या किंवा 0 to इकडं प्लस 0.8 जावा हे दोन्हीचा एरिया सारखाच असेल. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ 0.8 प्लस दिस इज प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ 0.4. सो प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ 0.8 दिस इज गिवन प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ area, this is given, which is 0.28.81, 0.2881 प्लस याची काय किंमत आहे 0.4 ची 0. याचे ॲडिशन किती येते बघा 1554 which is equal to yes 0.4435. So this is the area or probability in between these two lines. आता ह्या probabilityला काय करायचं कॅपिटल एन ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स मिळतील. Therefore to find number of students having score between 12 and 15 is equal to n into probability of n into, or say directly 1000 into this calculated probability, which is equal to how much 443.5, which is equal to 440, which is approximately equal to 444. So these are the number of students having score in between 12 and 15. So this is answer to this second bit. So in this way we solve the example of normal distribution. Now see this next example of normal distribution. Weight of 4000 students are found to be normally distributed with mean, that means this mean is given 50 kg and standard deviation of 5 kg. Find the number of students with weight, that is first bit, less than 45 kg and between 45 and 60 kg. And this is also given information for a standard normal variate area under the curve between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1 is 0.3413 and this is 0 to 2 which is 0.4770. So here n, capital N, that is total population, which is we call this as 4000. M which is mean, which is 50, and standard deviation we denote it by sigma, which is 5. Now therefore this is formula to find z, that is x minus m upon sigma. Now to find the number of students with weight less than 45 kg, first of all we find probability. We find probability of student less than 45 kg. So here let x is equal to 45. For this x, या x साठी काय करायचं z ची किंमत शोधायची. So z is equal to, this is formula, x minus m upon sigma. Now put values, x 45 minus 50 upon 5, which is equal to minus 1. Now draw this z is equal to minus 1 on normal curve. हे काय करायचं, z is equal to minus 1 normal curve वरती ड्रॉ करा. So this is normal curve. This is symmetric line. Equation is z is equal to 0. Now z is equal to minus 1. This will be line z is equal to minus 1. हे minus 1 असल्यामुळे या 0 च्या लेफ्ट साइडला असेल. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे हे z is equal to minus 1 झालं. आता आपल्याला प्रोबॅबिलिटी कशी काढायची, प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ लेस दॅन, see this, probability weight less than 45 kg. which is equal to probability of x less than 45, which is equal to probability of z less than -1, because for x 45 z is equal to -1. आता याचा रिजन शोधायचा z लेस दॅन -1. तर हे z इज इक्वल टू -1 ही लाईन आहे. लेस दॅन -1 म्हटल्यानंतर एरिया कोणत्या बाजूला येईल? लेफ्ट साईडला. ठीक आहे. सो दिस विल बी द एरिया, दिस विल बी region, shaded region, which shows that z is less than -1. So we find its area. याचा एरिया काय करायचं? फाइंड करायचं. हा जो शेडेड रिजन आहे याचा एरिया फाइंड करायचा. तो कसा फाइंड करायचा? सो दिस इज -इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी. हे संपूर्ण एरिया 1 असेल. प्रोबॅबिलिटी, टोटल प्रोबॅबिलिटी 1 असते. दिस लाईन इज सिमेट्रिक, म्हणजे हाफ 0.5 असेल, 0 टू इन्फिनिटी 0.5 असेल. इकडे 0.5, या बाजूला 0.5 आहे. सो हाऊ टू फाइंड दिस शेडेड एरिया? हे कंप्लीट 0.5 आहे. ठीक आहे. या कंप्लीट 0.5 मधून काय करायचं? हा नॉन शेडेड एरिया म्हणजे 0 टू -1 हा एरिया काय करायचा? सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. सो हाऊ वी राईट दिस शेडेड रिजन ॲज, तो कसा लिहिणार आपण? 0.5 मायनस हे संपूर्ण हाफ 0.5, त्याच्यातून हे मिडल पार्ट काय करायचं? सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं. z इज इक्वल टू probability of -1 less than z less than 0. So which is equal to 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than z less than 1. Curve is symmetric about this line. या लाईनच्या अबाउट कर्व कसा असेल? सिमेट्रिक असेल. मग 0 to -1, एरिया बिटवीन 0 to -1 इज सेम थिंग ॲज 0 to 1, म्हणजे -1 to 0 आणि 0 to 1 हा एरिया कसा असेल? सारखा असेल, बिकॉज कर्व इज सिमेट्रिक. अँड दिस व्हॅल्यू इज गिवन. याची किंमत दिली आहे 0 to 1, याची किंमत दिली आहे z इज इक्वल टू 0 to z इज इक्वल टू 1, विच इज 0.3413 and which is equal to, yes, 0.1587. So next to that, therefore, so we get this is a probability of student having weight less than 45. Now out of 4,000 students, how many students have weight less than 45? How to find? Therefore, number of students having weight less than 45 kg, which is equal to 4,000 into this probability 1587. 634.5, which is equal to approximately equal to 635. So in this way we answer to the first bit. Similarly, we find the now number of students having weight in between 45 and 60 kg. Answer to the second bit. First we find probability probability of weight between 45 and 60 kg. So call one as x1. There are two values of weight. इथे x च्या दोन व्हॅल्यूज, एकाला x1 म्हणा आणि दुसऱ्याला x2 म्हणा. नाव फॉर दिस x1 and x2 फाइंड z1 and z2. याच्यासाठी z1 शोधा. तो x minus m upon sigma. This is formula. X 45, m is here 50 upon sigma is 5, which is equal to -1. So this is z1. Similarly, for x2 find z2. X minus m upon sigma, that is 45 minus 50 upon 5, which is equal to 2. So this is Z2 is equal to 2. Now after finding Z1 and Z2 म्हणजे हे Z1 आणि Z2 शोधल्यानंतर ड्रॉ दिस ऑन नॉर्मल कर्व, हे दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज काय करायचे, लाईन्स नॉर्मल कर्व वरती ड्रॉ करायचे. दिस इज नॉर्मल कर्व. Here it is 60 minus 50 upon 5, which is 2. Draw this value. This is center line. Z is equal to 0. ही सेंटर लाईन असेल. आता हे दोन लाईन्स ड्रॉ करा. Z1 इज इक्वल टू -1 म्हणजे 0च्या लेफ्ट साईडला असेल. दिस इज Z1 इज इक्वल टू -1 and Z2 is equal to 2. This will be lying right side of Z is equal to 0. Z2 is equal to 2. Therefore, probability of weight between 45 and 60, which is equal to probability of X is in between 45 and 60, which is equal to probability of Z is in between -1 and 2, which is equal to Z is in between -1 and 2. So find region where this Z is in between -1 and 2. याच्यासाठीचा रिजन शोधा. म्हणजे -1 to 2 याच्या मिडलचा रिजन असेल. So this shaded region, हा shaded region म्हणजे काय असेल, this is the probability of weight between 45 and 60 kg. That means Z is equal to -1 and 2. So to find probability we find area of this shaded region. Probability काढायची म्हणजेच काय, तर ह्या shaded region चा एरिया काढायचा. आता तो काढत असताना find with respect to 0, -1 to 0, to find -1 to 2 हा कंप्लीट एरिया काढायचा. तो कसं काढणार, टेक ॲडिशन 2 पार्ट, 2 पार्टची ॲडिशन घ्यायची. कोणत्या, -1 to 0 प्लस 0 to 2 या दोन्हीची ॲडिशन घ्यायची. सो विच इज इक्वल टू, वी कॅन राईट दिस ॲज probability of -1 less than Z less than 0 plus probability of 0 less than Z less than 2. This -1 to 0 is the same thing as 0 to 1. A -1 to 0 is same thing as 0 to 1 because curve is symmetric. हा curve symmetric असल्यामुळं हे -1 to 0 is same thing as 0 to 1 plus this is as it is 0 less than Z less than 2, and these values are given. Area from 0 to 1 which is given 0.3413 plus area from 0 to 2 which is given here 0.4772, 0.8185. So this is probability. Therefore we find number of students having weight between 45 and 60 kg is equal to 4000 into this probability 0.8185, which is equal to 3274. So these are the number of students, 3274 out of 4000 students whose weight is in between 45 and 60 kg. So in this way we find the solution by using normal distribution. Now see this next example of normal distribution. In a test on 2000 electric bulbs, it was found that life of particular make was normally distributed with average life, that means this is mean is given, it is 2040 hours and standard deviation is a 60 hours. Estimate the number of bulbs, estimate the number of bulbs likely to burn for in between 1920 hours and 2160 hours, and number 2 more than 2150 hours. Now here in this normal distribution, value of capital N, that is total population, which is a 2000 is given. M of this distribution means normal distribution, average life of is 2040, that means M is nothing but average life, which is equal to 2040, and standard deviation SD ची किंमत किती दिली इथं 60 hours. So this is Z, which is x minus m upon sigma. So we find value of first, that is we have to estimate the number of bulbs likely burn between 1920 hours and 2160 hours. So first of all we find probability of bulb burn between these 2 hours, 1920 and 2160 hours. So for that, take x1 is equal to 1920. इथे दोन व्हॅल्यू आहेत. x here take x will be the number of hours, capital X म्हणजे number of hours घ्या, म्हणजे x1 किती आला 1, take x1 is equal to 1920 आणि x2 ची किंमत घ्या 2160. याच्यावरून z1 शोधा. फॉर x1 फाइंड z1 using this formula. याच फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर करा, x minus m upon sigma, which is equal to x means 1920 minus m, which is equal to 2040 upon 60. So which is equal to find z1. Similarly for x2, find z2 is equal to x means x minus m, m means same value, this value असेल upon this 60. So you will get z2. So what is z1? z1 is equal to, yes, z1 is equal to minus 2 and z2 is equal to -2 आणि z1 is equal to -2. आता हे दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू काय करायचे, नॉर्मल कर्व वरती प्लॉट करायचे. ओके, z1 is a value of normal variable corresponding to x1 and z2 is value of normal variable corresponding to value of x2. So we draw this on normal curve. Yes, normal curve असेल. This is line symmetric, line of symmetry of curve z is equal to 0. Now we plot z1 is equal to -2. हा left side ला असेल. This is z1 is equal to -2 and this is z2 is equal to 2. Now we have to find the probability of in between x1 and x2. That means we find the probability of z1 and z2. हे z1 आणि z2 च्या मधली probability काढायची. That means shaded region will be this. This is shaded region. या shaded region चा एरिया म्हणजेच तो काय रिप्रेझेंट करेल, the probability of this bulb burn between these two values of x. So which is equal to probability of -2 less than z less than 2. Probability of x in between x1 and x2 is nothing but probability of -2 less than z less than 2, which is equal to probability of -2 less than z less than 0 plus probability of 0 लेस दॅन झेड लेस दॅन 2 विच इज इक्वल टू, हे पहा, हे -2 टू झेड, सॉरी -2 टू +2, हे हा एरिया कसा सांगणार, वी टेक सम ऑफ दिस टू एरिया, ह्या दोन एरियाची बेरीज करायची, -2 टू 0, -2 टू 0 प्लस 0 टू 2. आता हे -2 टू 0 इज सेम थिंग ॲज 0 टू 2, -2 टू 0 इज सेम थिंग ॲज 0 टू 2, बिकॉज कर्व इज सिमेट्रिक, कर्व सिमेट्रिक असल्यामुळं -2 टू 0 हा एरिया इज सेम थिंग ॲज 0 टू 2 असेल, प्लस probability of 0 less than z less than 2. Probability of 0 to 2 is nothing but this is a p of 2 plus this is also 0 to 2 means p of 2. P of 2 plus p of 2, this is 2 times p of 2 which is equal to 2 times p of 2. This value p of 2 is given which is a of 2. Probability means area in normal distribution, म्हणजे हे a of 2 असेल आणि याची किंमत दिलेली आहे 2 into a of 2 which is the 0.4772 which is equal to, multiply, take multiplication, how much, this is equal to 0.9544. Therefore we answer number of, what is asked, it is asked to find number of bulbs burned between these 2 hours 1920 and 2160 hours is equal to total electric bulbs, that is 2000 into this calculated probability 9544. हे टोटल 7 याला मल्टिप्लाय करा. सो हाऊ मेनी, दिस इज 2000 into which is equal to 1908.8 which is equal to 1000, approximately 1909. So these are the number of bulbs which burns between these 2 hours 1920 and 2160 hours. So this is the answer to this first bit. Similarly, we find the number of bulbs which burn more than 2150 hours. See next, number of bulbs burn more than, that is we find probability of bulbs burn more than, first of all we find probability and then multiply by n, that is probability of bulbs burn more than 2150 hours. So take x is equal to, x means number of hours, take x is equal to 2150. हा x ची किंमत घ्या आणि या x च्या किंमतीसाठी काय करा, फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ z which is x minus m upon sigma. x means this value 2150, m म्हणजे काय, average life, that means means, which is 2040 upon sigma is 60. So for this x we get value of z which is equal to, is it 1.83? Yes, 1.83. So for x this is z. Now we plot this z on normal curve. काय करायचं याच्यानंतर, ही x ची किंमत काढा, x वरून z आणि हा z नॉर्मल कर्व वरती काय करायचा, प्लॉट करायचं. So this is normal curve and this is symmetric about line, z is equal to 0. Now this is z is equal to 1.83. हे कोणत्या बाजूला असेल, हे प्लस आहे म्हणजे हे राईट साईडला असेल. This is z is equal to 1.83. Now we have to find the probability of bulbs burn more than this hour, that means probability of x which is equal to probability of x greater than 2150. That means this is probability of z greater than 1.83. ह्याचा सीडेड एरिया काय करायचा, डिटरमाइन करायचा. कोणता एरिया असेल तर झेड ग्रेटर दॅन 1.3 याचा एरिया कोणता तो आधी डिटरमाइन करायचा. सो दिस इज झेड, दिस लाईन इज झेड इज इक्वल टू 1.83 आणि झेड ग्रेटर, झेड हा या व्हॅल्यूपेक्षा ग्रेटर आहे म्हणजे झेड हा दिस विल बी लाईंग राईट साइड ऑफ झेड इज इक्वल टू 1.3. सो दिस शेडेड region shows that where z is greater than 1.83 आणि या शेडेड रिजनचं काय करायचं, एरिया फाइंड करायचा. तो एरिया कसा फाइंड करायचा, जो टोटल एरिया इज 1, दिस हाफ, दिस इज 0.5, दिस इज 0.5. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड दिस शेडेड रिजन. हा शेडेड रिजनचा एरिया कसा फाइंड करायचा, हे 0.5 आहे, हे 0.5 मधून हे नॉन शेडेड काय करा, सबट्रॅक्ट करा. सो विच इज इक्वल टू 0.5 मायनस याच्यातून 0.2, दॅट मीन्स प्रॉबॅबिलिटी ऑफ 0 लेस दॅन झेड लेस दॅन 1.83. सबट्रॅक्ट दिस 0 to 1.83 फ्रॉम 0.5. या संपूर्ण 0.5 मधून हे एवढा एरिया सबट्रॅक्ट करा. सो दिस इज 0.5 मायनस दिस इज नथिंग बट 0 to 1.83 मीन्स P of 1.83 which is equal to this P of 1.83 is nothing but A of 1.83 which is 0.4664 which is equal to how much? Yes, 0.0336. So this is the probability of bulbs burn more than 2150 hours. Now we have to find the number of bulbs. Therefore, number of bulbs burn more than 2150 hours is equal to 2000 total number of bulbs into this probability 0.0336 0.0336 which is equal to 67.2 which is nothing but 67. So these are the number of bulbs 67 which burn more than 2150 hours. So in this way we find the solution of given example by using normal distribution.